Good evening, everyone. I've not been around since morning. A lot have been happening in Nigeria. However, let us focus on insecurity. Now, Tinubu's Minister of Defense, former governor of Zamfara State, Mr. Matawande, has been accused of supporting banditry. Now, you know that so many times we have come here to prove to you that government officials are the reason why all this insecurity is still growing wings without anyone clapping the wings down. And I told you people that I have proofs that the government officials are sponsoring bandits. Apart from what the police said before they arrested some House of Assembly member, they arrested some local government chairman who are bandits, we still have proof that these politicians single-handedly formed these Boko Haram, imported all these bandits that are, making Nigeria to become a ravaged insecurity country. Now, this is from Shara Reporters. It is reporting that Islamic cleric accused Tinubu's junior defense minister, Matawande, of aiding bandit leaders. So if you are aiding bandit leaders, directly you are supporting banditry. Now, who is accusing this man? It's an Islamic cleric. I think these people knows more than me. They knows more than you. So when they accuse someone that you are supporting, banditry, they have proven they know what they are talking about. Now, don't forget that Tinubu was asked, how are you going to tackle insecurity in Nigeria? Tinubu told the whole world that if he dare fight against insecurity, that they are going to kill him. This is what Tinubu said, and it was said on a national television, on Arise News, and Tinubu did not deny that he said that. So, let us look at what this Islamic cleric is saying. The article was written September 9, 2024, and it reads, an Islamic cleric from Sokoto State, Sheikh Mortala Asada, has accused the Minister of State for Defense, Bello Matawande, of supporting bandits kingpins during his tenure as governor of Zamfara State. Mortala Asada claimed that Matawande, while in office, purchased vehicles for terrorists, including individuals such as Alilu Sububu, Ado Andero, and Bello Turji. And this Mr. Bello Turji is one of the most wanted terrorists in Nigeria. So when this man was a governor, he equipped them. Are you now seeing why Zamfara is the most ravaged insecurity state in Nigeria? Why people are dying like chicken? These people have seized some part of Zamfara state and so on and so forth. Do you now understand the reason why? So that is why any state that your governor is keeping quiet and insecurity is going on, we are going to ask you questions. So we are going to ask you questions. Now, let me continue with the article. It says, in a video seen by Shara Reporters, Mortala Bello, one of the former aides to the minister, confirmed that Bello Matawande purchased 34 new Hilux trucks and distributed them to terrorist leader in Zamfara. Listen. He clarified that the allegation that he bought a car for someone was false, saying it was the former governor of Zamfara State, Matawande, who gave him a brand new 2019 Hilux, not an old one. Ado Andero also received one. I was at the police station when they gave Bello Turji a brand new Hilux, he said. These are bandits, sharing Hilux to them. Well, we are yet to tell the world why these people are doing this, because this is not because of politics alone. You understand? They have other motive why they are doing this, of which I know that a lot of Nigerians are aware of their agenda. Now, the article continues, said Islamic cleric stated that why security agencies were searching for Hilux trucks to combat terrorists, they had not been provided for them. According to him, instead, public funds were used to buy brand new Hilux trucks for the terrorists. Sheikh Asada accused the defense minister in President Bola Tinubu's cabinet of pretending and lying to the public about having no involvement with them. What we are saying is that God sees our anxiety and apprehension due to insecurity, why some people are playing with our intelligence. Wherever these individuals are, expose them to the world, he said. May God help and protect all security operatives who are performing their duties diligently, and may he expose and cripple these terrorists. He questioned why Bello Turji, who is known for his criminal activities, remain at large despite federal government's effort. Everyone knows it is a lie that Bello Turji is untouchable by the Nigerian government, he said. This is a very touching accusation. Now, this terrorist who is sponsoring all this killing from around the country, they said that he is untouchable. Federal government cannot touch him. because some persons are sponsoring him. Now, you know why someone like Nnamdi Kanu is being detained for long, because there is no political official sponsoring him. He's just fighting for his people. Do you now understand the two different? So this man is untouchable because he has been working for all these people. I am not surprised of all these things at all. I'm not surprised. So for those of you who are new to this channel, don't be surprised about news like this, because it has been going on. And let me just take you through some videos that I have shared time with that number for you to understand what is going on in Nigeria. Number one of them is Zamfara Police Commissioner, when he said he arrested some House of Assembly members who are bandits. Take a listen.
We can say now banditry is an industry in Zamfara State. Last month, we arrested a member of the State House of Assembly in banditry here in Zamfara State. We arrested a district head we also as well arrested a former local government chairman. So you can see that involvement of this class of people in banditry is more making the situation to become more and more complex. So in essence, I can say that all caliber of people now are involved. All manner of people are involved in this banditry. More alarming and more disturbing is the involvement of a district head in supplying drugs to the bandits. So in that respect, your presence here today.
So in a country where the defense minister who is supposed to be, be in business of defending the country, is now aiding the bandits, or he has aided the bandits. Tell me. Now, your lawmakers are aiding the bandits. The president said he can't fight the bandits. Your vice president has been accused of aiding and sponsoring bandits. So how do you want this country to move? Now, you now begin to realize why I always say that this country, it is done. That this country is just matured to be divided. And so everybody, every tribe, go your own. I mean every tribe. Every tribe should go. Because some people cannot use, because of their personal agenda or their religious agenda, to suffer every other tribe in Nigeria. Sponsor insecurity, holistic in Nigeria, do all sorts of things. And no one is comprehending what is going on. No one is understanding what is going on. We are in a big trouble, a very big trouble. A very big trouble. And above all, nobody is even talking. Nobody. I made about 20 videos exposing people who are sponsoring insecurity. Nobody even cared. Nobody cared to talk. This country is done, because they know themselves, they know what they are doing. They know themselves, they know what they are doing. So everybody should get ready. Just get ready to defend yourself. You have a right to live. And that is all I have to say.